I saw some very interesting videos online. Trafficking, not even child, because most of the stories I found out about are stories of young adults and adults and very grown-up people. So this is the question, and this is my worry. Number one worry is that no, these people know what they are actually going for, and they went there intentionally, on purpose, for greener pasture. Emma, but don't scroll, don't scroll. Important information one, no, because I'm so fun. Now, Emma, they go carry. Okay, make I speak pidgin so that I don't have to be either Yoruba or English, but make I talk for pidgin so that I go stay in between. So for Nigeria, when I go carry your bag, go America, not America. Sorry, America says go see me. When I go carry your bag, go Libya, go Egypt, go Mali, go Cairo, go, all these other African countries. So now, if you convert the money to one solo share for housekeeping, most especially, I think most people that travels there is majorly for housekeeping. Because maybe 100,000 naira Nigerian money, in which some of the stories in Nigerian money. Now, it will be joining a bush in my law. Emma Sahara, Emma Babitu, oh my being Okada, oh my being swamp, oh my being go. I don't speak Yoruba. Then go, sorry, I'll be Yoruba person, so Yoruba will be much more to communicate this kind of communication. But allow me make a mix up because I'm not used to pidgin as well. I'm not used to it. It's either my language, my native language, or English. So I'm not really used to pidgin, but make I try them. Then go carry una through Sahara, carry una through dangerous bush, dangerous desert area. When I go reach there, now go they pay you salary of 100k, 50k when you convert them to Nigeria for domestic job. Because I actually saw some people that are happy. I saw a lady. I think that's our story inspired me to make this video. She's so plain. She's a very beautiful lady, and she's so plain about what she does. She's so proud, and she mentioned something that actually makes me think about what is going on. She said that she is happy doing what she's doing because which country the lady did? Maybe Mali or one Arab country, maybe Dubai or Qatar or somewhere. Or I think Iraq. Or Afghanistan. Nigeria, Iraq, Afghanistan, war zone. Just because Nigeria. Let me give you one very important example. I'm very serious right here. I was hiring a point. There will be a point in time you need to hire domestic staffs, like housemaid, to people that will do your laundry, that will do domestic. Let's put it that way. Let's go. So I figured out we want to laju. Most of them want to in fact, from phone call like this, they will ask you, how many children do you have? They will ask they will interview you that you want to hire them. You want to pay them every month. They will be questioning you on the phone. They want to know what size. Okay, let me give you one very shocking revelation. At a point, I decided that I won't be, hiring and putting domestic staff in my house like that. I live in Lekki. My mom stays on the island, on the mainland. If you know Bakare close is in Mushin, so mainland. So I said, okay, but first of all, to study their character, so that before I bring them to my house. So I'll make this video short. 1 or 2 or 3 of them that I sent to Mushin. That my father's house. That's my family house. And my mom is very nice. She will cook good food. My mother can cook. She will cook good food. She's elderly now. We are celebrating her birthday soon. Our 60th birthday, we are celebrating his son. So most of the time, I send them to my mom's place for, let them work there for some time so that my mom will now recommend. Because, if the moment someone comes into my home I find it difficult to push out the person. I don't really want to let go because I just get used to the person. Anyway, cut long story short. Do you know domestic staff? They'll tell you, I can't work on the mainland. I can only work in Lekki. So stop that. I said, "Ma worry, no problem. I'm not hiring because okay? You only want to work in Lekki. You can't work in the mainland. These people, I'm telling you, they can't even stay 2-3 days in the mainland. But they are comfortable to quickly come to your house, bombard your house in Lekki. I'm like, hello, so tell me about Lekki nkan. Me get domestic staff in Yelobe. Now, secondly, they will now ask you, how many children do you have? What time they will be, and they are not in the association, they have association, money group, launch a meeting. So when to get to the meeting, they will even teach themselves. Oh, I'm speaking too much Yoruba. Sorry, but it's like my pidgin is not really. They know how they have groups. So they have meetings. They do meetings maybe twice every month. So and their boyfriends, they're always in that meeting, even girlfriends. So that is where they will prove that they are fighting for themselves, that they are looking after themselves. In that light, they will be they teach themselves different kind of criminal acts. Oh, when your madam know their house, take rice, take beans, do this, do that. At the end of the day, they know they last from one place. They will now be shift from one house to the other just for domestic jobs. And you people, you feel so comfortable to carry on yourself from Nigeria because I can't imagine Yorubas plenty where they live for all these countries. Say then they do domestic work for people who are for Arabo. They call them Arabu house. Want to toss in lorry, then go shit for una head. They will not pay you. You will be working. So you have sponsor, somebody that will sponsor you there, just because you are so egocentric. Those jobs that are available here in Nigeria, you cannot do it. You prefer to go to Arab country where they will treat you like animals. Nigerians. Anyway, thank God I'm beginning to have grown-ups. I don't need domestic staff. I'll be teaching my children. Oh yeah, when you wake up, lay bed, make your breakfast, do your thing by yourself. Me, America, let me show you. See, Sherry is very serene, it's very quiet, you do your things by yourself. If I go to anywhere like this, I will drive to the mall, to supermarket, I will do my shopping, I'll come home, I'll take my things, I'll put them in fridge. I'll make my breakfast, I'll make my food. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ yàtọ̀ ń jẹ ní gbogbo àwọn countries tán ti máa lọ ń ṣe domestic work. But lè ṣe ní Nàìjíríà. Prefer kí yà lọ jẹ yín in another country. Wádìí máa ṣe báyìí pé mo ṣètò láti lo òyìnbó. Mo ṣe mi. Please let me see your comments. Let me see your comment. Drop comment on that this post. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi nígbà wo mo sì máa ṣe content lórí ẹ̀ gan. Prefer kí máa lo lóyìn bí animal ń bẹ̀ yẹn. But in Nigeria, Lekki nìkan lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró. If it's not Lekki, you can't stay anywhere. Plus Lekki lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró yẹn náà kò ṣe pé ẹ fẹ́ dúró. Bí happy 2-3 months lẹ máa ń plan. Ẹ máa ní plans yín. You see that 21-year-old, 30-year-old, 29, 25, tẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bímọ yẹn. Àánú yín ṣe mí. Ẹ jẹ́ tètè gbà. It's all these people. Give me more stories. The reason why people prefer Ibẹ̀yẹn ju Nigeria lọ. Give me more reasons. Kẹ́ Mali, Libya, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan. Because of pride. Iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe Nigeria. Ẹ prefer lọ máa ṣe Ibẹ̀yẹn. Wọ́n máa treat yín bí ẹranko. I need more stories beneath this video. I need more stories. This is weekend. Mo fẹ́ gbádùn ara mi. I need more stories. Mo máa ṣe content lẹ́yìn lórí ó máa pọ̀ gan. That's all. Ṣe máa ń dàbẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn olèmí wà wọn wà happy. Àwọn olèmí wà wọ́n wà happy. Bó ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n wà happy. Àwọn tàwa máa struggle pa fẹ́ lọ gbà yín wá. Ẹ̀yin máa dùn pé wà ń bẹ̀. I rest my case. I rest my case. Ha!